How to fix Google Photos not backing up. First, you want to simply open the Google Photos application, and once you're inside your Google Photos, you want to simply tap on your profile picture over here at the top right of your screen. By doing so, if your backup is off, you'd be able to see information like this called backup is off. You want to simply tap on turn on backup. You want to simply tap on turn on backup again. And by doing so, you would have successfully turned off backup, and your backing up of your photos has already been started over here. If you're having any kinds of problem during this process, you want to simply make sure that the internet connection is available all the time until all of the photos has been done backing up. After that, you want to simply verify that your Google have enough storage to back up your photos as well. If you don't have enough storage, you want to simply tap on clean up space over here, scroll down and tap on lost photos and videos, and here you'd be able to select your videos and delete them which you do not want in your device. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the